Today, I want to create an IBF Monogram logo, a request from a CANVOO viewer. Let me show you how to design a stunning IBF Monogram logo using Canva on Android, quick and easy. First, as usual, open the logo, Size Design Canvas, go to Elements, then grab the square shape, adjust its size to 60 by 270 pixels, After that, we duplicate this rectangle 3 times. For the last square, we rotate it 90 degrees to make it horizontal, then place it here. Next, duplicate it in half, then place it below like this. We duplicate this one, rotate it to make it vertical like this, and place it on the right like this. Again, we duplicate this square and place it horizontally here. For this rectangle, we can delete it. Now, drag this square to be symmetrical with the square on the right to create the letter B monogram. Next, duplicate this square. Then we place it here as a ruler, duplicate it again, and place it here to start monogramming the letter F. Pull the bottom until it aligns with the other square elements. We can delete the square that acted as a ruler. Okay, next we go to the top square. We can drag this so that the width on the left is aligned with the center of the letter B. To complete the shape of the letter F, we duplicate this square and place it parallel like this. Then drag the left one until it is symmetrical with the right side of letter B. Now normalize the canvas size again to see the logo in its entirety. We can modify the letter I by adding dots like this. If it's like this, the next step is coloring. You can be creative and try various colors that suit you. Here I used a muted black color for the letter I, green color for letter B, and orange color for letter F. More or less, this is how it turned out. Since the person who requested the logo didn't specify what this logo is for, I made the logo as simple as possible so that it can be easily recreated. What do you think? Is this logo interesting or ordinary? Please leave your comments in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if it's useful for you. And let's continue to hone the creativity of making simple logos with CANVOO. See you in the next video.